Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add metadata during upload. Normally uploading of files is done through the web interface, obviously, where you select into which folder or channel you're going to upload, and when you do that you can add some metadata during the upload. So for example, in this example you have the owner, product type, and so on and so on. This differs between different customers or in different channels and so on and so on. What you can do here is you can preset the different values, and then you can upload one or many files at once. The backdraw with this is that you have to set the metadata every time, but DC has a feature where you can upload through predefined folders and predefined metadata structure through FTP, which is pretty powerful to be able to have a preset for uploading loads and loads of data. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have 3 images, and what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to add a category field when uploading multiple files. So for example, this one here doesn't have anything in category. So what we do now is I'll prepare a FTP folder structure that would auto tag images that are uploaded. So what I'll do is I'll open my FTP program. On the left side here you have my local disk, and on the right is the server disk where we're gonna drag and drop the files into. So let's say I have a folder called Builder, which is images. In this folder I have actually a predefined set of owners. So in this case the folder name is owner equals SBS. So that means that all images that are put into the folder owner SBS will get the owner SBS when it's imported. So let's open that one. So if I'll take an image now and just drag and drop this, what will happen is this will be uploaded to the server, and then DC will find it and it will tag it with owner SBS. Okay, so that's fine. Let's now create a new directory. Let's say category test. Okay, so I've created a new folder, and that means that all images that I put in this folder will get the owner tag, SBS, and the category test. Okay, so I'll take, for example, 3 images and drag and drop those into the folder. This will obviously take a couple of seconds, so what we'll do is during the upload we can take a look at the rule. So the logic here is that you have the folder name, and then you set a value, and you have different types of settings. So if you do equal, it will overwrite the existing value. So you think, okay, but the image hasn't been imported before, so how can it have a predefined existing value? Well, if you upload images that contain IPTC information, it can contain data, and if you set the equal, the setting of the folder will overwrite the IPTC data within the image. You can set a plus equal, that will add a value. So for example, if you have a creator plus equal Frederick, and the image IPTC data has an creator, say Peter, the image importer will get Peter plus Frederick because it adds. And this one is set value only if not exists. So it adds if the IPTC information is empty. So as you see here in the lower example, the image Bild.jpg will get a provider tag equal to DPA. It will overwrite anything inside the IPTC. It will set the keywords and add if it exists in the IPC, DPA build, and then we'll set a category of the image if it's empty to unknown. So the image will be imported with all this data, plus in some cases or most cases the IPC information within. So you can actually build the structure quite complicated and set all the tags you want to. Okay, so let's see now if we received our images. So I'll click here and I'll see, okay, I received 4 new images. This one is the first one, no category. This was prior to me making the category equal folder. Okay, so I can actually use all of the structure and put files independently of how the structure is looking. Doesn't make sense, baby, but if you'll try it, you'll see. Okay, the marathon stone and the goal and the bus here, they should all be set with the category test now. Okay, so if I'll click it, I see, okay, test, test, and test. So this is a way of if you have a structure and you expect to get a lot of images frequently, regularly from providers. This is a way of keeping the structure, because the structure on the FTP server will be there until you delete the folder. So I mean, you'll create the folder structure once and you can add and remove as you want, but when you get a new bulk of images, you can reuse the folder structure and put the images in relevant folder to pre-index them on upload. So I think it's a really powerful tool, and I hope that you find it useful. And please contact us if you need any more help, or if we can assist in another way. Okay, thank you very much.